In this video, we are going to create an S3 bucket. For this, we will click on the services in the console management and go to the storage and then click on S3. This is scalable storage in the cloud, and this service is very useful for creating different space, different object, and every object in S3 is stored to upload files and folders to your S3. So in the S3, we are going to click on create bucket, and in this bucket name, you will have to write your bucket name. Suppose this is code with Christy. All right. And this name must be unique. It should not match with any other inside the world. Like your username, your profile, not your profile name, but your username, Gmail, and Facebook ID, and so on. Similarly, this S3 bucket should have unique bucket name. Then we are going to choose AWS region. By default, it's going to take this region where you have changed the global, and then we are going to change, click on block all public accesses. So we are allowing all access, which means you want to be able to test if the website is working or not. So once it is selected, then you will have new access control list, any particular IP address or any access you want to access your website. So we are going to create a public website, public hosting. So we are going to unblocking all these private access. Then we will click on I acknowledge that current setting might result in this bucket and object within becoming object. Then we are going to create a bucket. That's it. We'll keep. So in advanced setting, nothing is more specific, and then we are going to create bucket. Finally, your bucket will appear in the bucket list, and we will have code with Christie 365, and we will click on that. So in this bucket, you are going to suppose the permissions or upload the file. So I'm going to upload my HTML file. So add file, you can have this HTML. So before uploading this file, let's see what is the ingredient of this file. I'm going to open in Notepad. Hello world, take me to the ladder. Instead of your leader, I'm going to click code with Christy YouTube channel. All right. So this message will be appear in the next tab, and I'm going to save it here and click here. One more time, I'm going to open, and you will see that it's having take me to your code with Christy YouTube channel. All right. So this must appear while entering or while opening that site. So I'm going to again add file and then index.html. And if you want to create new files, what you can do, you can create you just open a text document and like write index 1. I'm giving index 1 because I'm having already index. I'm giving index 1 and just hit enter. All right. So open this notepad and just enter hello there and save this file. Save as index1 dot html. All right, and save it html, or you just remove the file and keep it as string and save type all, or you just type save.html save. All right, you just block it there. You can see index 1 is just appear, and I'm going to open that file in the notepad. You will see that it's having hello there, and I'll open this file. You will see, okay, it's not opening there. So if I'll open this file, videos, my file location, okay, so at file index 1, I'm going to open index 1, open with Microsoft edge. So you can see hello there messages there which we just entered over here. Similarly, we have the another file, and this file is having my code with Christy code. So I'm going to upload that index.html here. You can see it's already okay. So I am going to remove that file index.html. By default it's just edit there, and I'm going to add original index.html. Then we will click on permissions, it's just said, and then we will click hit on permit. So add a bulk means add up in order to add a bucket policy to make the content publicly available, you will need to choose the link for your bucket's name and select the permissions. All right, so we will again go to the buckets and select it and go to the permissions, and we are having bucket policy. For this I'm having this code, and I'm going to copy this policy and just paste it here. All right, okay. Oh, so I'll have to edit there and then paste it here. All right, just paste it here. Okay, you can see ARN and AWS S3 example bucket. So instead of example bucket, I'm going to paste my bucket name. So that is code with Christy 365. So you just click on save changes and you can see API responses. Okay, so it must have okay, so it is there, and just save changes. Okay, it must have this control. I'm going to copy this code again. But okay, copy, and then cut V, and this one and this bucket, and delete the name, original name, and copy my name. All right, and then save changes. You can see it's a successfully successfully edited bucket policy, and then I'll have the another format. So we will upload upload the HTML file, and then you can choose add file. We have already uploaded. Then expand the permissions on the this one permissions, and we will have access control. All these access control list are successfully, we have grant public read access, which is already there, and expand the properties. We will have the properties tab, and inside this properties we will have the static website. So we will just go to the edit, and we are going to enable that static website hosting, because it's going to click, and we are going to write our first HTML page. So that page name is index.html. If it is index1.html, so you are supposed to write index1.html. As of now we are having index.html, so I'll write index.html, and then I'm going to click the save changes. Then we will go to the static website again, and you can see the bucket website endpoint. When you configure your bucket as a static website, the website is available in this region, and you are supposed to copy this. For this you can click over here, copy this link and paste in a new tab, and you can see your message is just displayed. So take me to your code with Christy YouTube channel. Not only your message, but your website is just displayed using cloud. So this is how you can host your website using AWS cloud. This is simple HTML index.html, and you can host your another website as well. Thank you. This is how you can test your website and static website hosting, and this lab complete hands-on practice. Thank you.